Good day. I am Elbert C. Atilano Jr. from Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University. Today, I will present my study entitled Governance and Performance of Sports Programs at ZPPSU, a descriptive correlational study. This study examines how governance, policy implementation, and service delivery relate to the perceived performance of sports programs using quantitative statistical analysis. The study used a descriptive correlational quantitative design. Data were gathered from student athletes, coaches, and sports administrators using a 5-point Likert scale survey questionnaire. SPSS was used for statistical analysis. Descriptive statistics determined the level of variables. Pearson correlation examined significant relationships, and multiple linear regression identified which variables significantly influence perceived performance. The descriptive results show that all variables were rated high by the respondents. Governance obtained a mean of 4.08. Policy implementation obtained 4.06. Service delivery obtained 4.01, and perceived performance obtained 4.05. These results indicate generally positive perceptions regarding the governance, implementation, delivery of services, and overall performance of sports programs within ZPPSU. The correlation analysis revealed very strong positive relationships between all independent variables and perceived performance. Governance obtained a correlation coefficient of 0.976. Policy implementation obtained 0.979, and service delivery obtained the strongest relationship with a correlation coefficient of 0.987. All relationships were statistically significant, with p-values of 0.000. These findings indicate that higher perceptions of governance, implementation, and service delivery are associated with higher perceived performance of sports programs. The regression analysis showed that the model was statistically significant, with an R-squared value of 0.978, meaning that 97.8% of the variance in perceived performance is explained by the combined effects of governance, policy implementation, and service delivery. However, when the variables were analyzed collectively, only service delivery emerged as a statistically significant predictor of performance. Governance and policy implementation were not statistically significant predictors in the regression model. This finding suggests that while all variables are strongly related to performance, service delivery has the most direct influence on perceived sports program performance within ZPPSU.